Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my number one practice technique to reduce competition nerves. So this goes without saying, mostly every cuber faces problems with nerves, especially officially. Due to this, most of us have probably messed up an average or a single that had a lot of potential. However, I've been able to come up with a technique that can actually really help competition nerves. Now most of you guys must be thinking, this is just competition simulations, right? Well, you're partly correct, but not exactly. Allow me to explain. The first step is to download the latest version of TNoodle, the official WCA scrambler. I will put a link to a tutorial in the description below, but just note, the video I made was for the previous version of TNoodle. However, the process should remain largely the same. Once you've downloaded it, generate around 25 average of 5 or mean of 3 sets depending on the event you want to practice. Once it's generated, ensure you delete everything from the scrambles folder except for the computer display PDFs and the passwords to them. Now you might be wondering, what do I do with all these sets? Well, basically it's like a comp sim, but here's the catch. You can only do one set of scrambles per day. Think of this one comp sim average a day as your ultimate chance. And you have to be 100% honest with yourself while doing these sets. For example, if you get an absolutely terrible average or even a DNF average in one of the rounds, it does not matter. That is your average for the day. You should also keep track of all these averages using a Google document or something like that. At first, you will probably start out with absolutely terrible or even DNF averages. However, as time progresses, you will become a lot better at these competition simulations, and at the competition you will perform better than usual. This practice technique actually really helped a few people who I know personally, and I will talk about them at the end of the video. But for now, I will give you guys some tips on how to make this competition simulation as real as possible. Firstly, try to use the official WCA scorecards. If you're not sure where to get these scorecards from, I will put a Google Drive link in the description below. You guys can just download it and print it from there. Secondly, you should request one of your family members or friends to be your scrambler and judge. For most events, it's not too difficult to learn the notation to scramble, and having someone as a judge besides you just makes the competition experience seem so much more realistic. Now let me talk about a couple of people who this practice technique has actually worked for, starting off with Liam Wardick aka QWERTY Quotes. So in December 2020, Liam DNF'd his clock average at New Zealand Nationals 2020. However, just a month later at his next competition, Liam was able to pull out two mid-7 averages, which obviously still isn't too great for him considering he's pretty much globally sub-7. However, it's still a huge jump from a DNF. Hopefully he will get a sub-7 average at his next competition. Another person who I want to talk about is Jasper Murray, the New Zealand national record holder for Pyraminx. Unfortunately, Jasper hasn't got the opportunity to compete since he started doing this. However, he does average low 2 seconds on Pyraminx. But on his very first day, he ended up getting a 4-second average, which is very bad for him. As time went on though, Jasper continued to do this and he slowly went from mid 2 to low 2, and the last time I checked he also had a sub 2 average. Hopefully he will get some great results too when he gets to compete. So that's about it for this video. To whoever decides to try this, let me know how your progress goes in the comment section below. I would love to hear it. I wish everyone the best of luck in future competitions. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.